Jolene Macintyre has become widely recognized through her involvement in the custom car industry and media projects connected to Bad Chad Customs. Her story reflects a powerful mix of ambition, pressure, and personal sacrifice as she balanced business leadership with emotional challenges. At the height of professional success, she faced life-altering personal loss that reshaped her priorities and tested her strength. Despite overwhelming responsibilities in management, production, and public engagement, she remained central to keeping operations stable. This account explores her journey from early foundations to career growth, personal relationships, tragedy, and eventual transformation into a more resilient and determined individual shaped by hardship and perseverance. Early background and education. Jolene Macintyre was raised in Centreville, Nova Scotia, in a family environment that emphasized discipline, perseverance, and responsibility. During her early years, she excelled in sports, particularly soccer, where her competitive mindset and focus became defining traits. She later pursued higher education at St. Mary's University, earning a Bachelor of Commerce with a specialization in finance, while also studying kinesiology to better understand physical performance and workplace safety. After graduation, she worked at a local bar, where a chance encounter at a nearby car show led her to meet Chad Hiltz, marking the beginning of both a professional partnership and personal relationship that would change her life path significantly. Rise in custom car industry and business role. Jolene transitioned from education and early employment into the custom automotive world through her partnership with Chad Hiltz. She became a key co-founder in Green Goblin Customs, later evolving into Hiltz Auto Company, where she managed finances, scheduling, logistics, and production coordination. Her business acumen ensured that complex car builds stayed organized and delivered on time. She also played a crucial role in media growth when she filmed and shared a viral video of a Bugatti replica built from scrap, which attracted massive online attention. This exposure helped the team gain international recognition and eventually contributed to their appearance on television platforms and broader industry visibility. Professional and personal life challenges. As Jolene's role expanded, the boundaries between her professional responsibilities and personal life became increasingly blurred. Working closely with Chad, who was both her partner and fiancé, often led to disagreements over budgets, project timelines, and team management decisions. The intensity of the workload combined with their personal relationship created emotional strain that affected both home and workplace dynamics. Additionally, family responsibilities added further complexity, requiring Jolene to balance extended obligations while maintaining business stability. Over time, the constant pressure and lack of separation between roles contributed to exhaustion, stress, and growing concerns about long-term sustainability within their shared enterprise. Increasing workload and media pressure. The evolution of their workshop into a televised and digital-focused brand significantly increased Jolene's workload. Beyond managing car builds and finances, she became responsible for overseeing video production, editing schedules, advertising budgets, and on-camera appearances. This expansion into media demanded constant attention and extended working hours, often leaving little room for rest or personal time. At times, she was nearly absent from screen appearances due to exhaustion and overlapping responsibilities. The overwhelming pace began to affect her well-being and decision-making capacity, highlighting the strain of maintaining both creative production and media expectations within a rapidly growing public-facing enterprise. Personal tragedy and family loss. In late 2024, Jolene Macintyre experienced a devastating personal tragedy when her mother, her closest emotional support, was diagnosed with terminal cancer. The illness progressed rapidly, leaving little time for preparation as the family confronted an inevitable loss. On November 28th, her mother passed away, creating a profound emotional void in Jolene's life. During this period, she was forced to divide her time between professional responsibilities and caring for her mother, living in two conflicting realities. The emotional toll of witnessing her mother's decline while maintaining work commitments became one of the most difficult experiences she ever endured, deeply affecting her personal and professional stability. Impact of grief on work and public life. Following her mother's passing, Jolene struggled to maintain her usual productivity as grief significantly affected her emotional resilience. Several projects were delayed or adjusted as she attempted to balance healing with ongoing responsibilities. Her reduced morale was noticeable among colleagues, including Chad, who observed the strain she was under. Despite her pain, she chose to share her loss publicly, expressing gratitude and love for her mother through heartfelt messages. Her openness resonated with followers who admired her honesty and vulnerability during such a difficult period, strengthening public empathy and support while revealing the human cost behind her professional commitments. Resilience, choice, and continuing. Forward faced with overwhelming grief and professional pressure, Jolene made the difficult decision to continue her work rather than step away from the business she had helped build. She believed that pausing entirely could jeopardize everything she and Chad had created together. Instead, she drew strength from her mother's memory, using her values as motivation to persist. Immersing herself in new projects became both a coping mechanism and a form of emotional endurance. This decision reflected her resilience, showing how she transformed personal pain into determination, while continuing to uphold responsibilities that defined her role within the organization. Transformation and new outlook on life. The loss of her mother marked a turning point in Jolene's perspective on life and work. Previously focused heavily on professional growth and operational demands, she began prioritizing family connections and meaningful personal moments. Time spent with loved ones, travel with Chad, and team gatherings became more significant than before. While her dedication to the brand remained strong, she developed a healthier appreciation for balance and emotional well-being. This shift helped her rebuild inner strength, allowing her to approach challenges with renewed endurance and a more grounded, reflective outlook on both life and career. Foundations and entry into automotive world. Before entering the spotlight, Jolene's early working life included a position at a local bar, where she developed interpersonal skills and resilience in a fast-paced environment. A chance encounter at a nearby automotive event introduced her to Chad Hiltz, a meeting that soon evolved into both a romantic and professional partnership. Together, they established Green Goblin Customs, laying the groundwork for what would later become Hiltz Auto Company. Jolene quickly became essential to operations, applying her finance background and organizational abilities to support business growth. Her early contributions to media strategy and content sharing played a key role in building the brand's visibility and reputation. Conclusion and legacy. Jolene Macintyre's journey reflects a powerful story of resilience shaped by ambition, responsibility, and profound personal loss. From her early beginnings in Nova Scotia to her rise in the custom automotive industry, she consistently demonstrated leadership and determination. The challenges she faced, including intense professional pressure and the heartbreaking loss of her mother, tested her strength, but also redefined her priorities and outlook on life. Through perseverance, she transformed adversity into motivation, continuing to support and build the legacy she helped create. Her story stands as a testament to endurance, adaptability, and the human capacity to rebuild after tragedy.